Hey there everyone, it's Jasper with the Boys and Girls Club of Contra, Costa, and this is the first gourmet hunting episode. What's gourmet, you may ask? Well, a gourmet is a connoisseur of good food, a person with a discerning palate. In other words, you and I are gonna go find some food. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to the store. Hopefully by following these tips, the next time you are at the store with your parents, you could find the items and show them that you can navigate the store with ease. Today we are going to try not to just get only the ingredients we want, but spend as little money as possible. First, our produce. These are your fresh fruits and vegetables, essential for a healthy diet, and they usually are easy to find. Because out of everything in the store, produce has a quick shelf life. The fresher it is, the quicker it goes. Tip number 1. Loose produce from the store needs to be washed before eating. Why? Bacteria from people picking up and down the item. So, wash each item appropriately before eating. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do that when we get in the kitchen. Let's pick some mushrooms. Look for caps that are smooth, dry, and firm with no shriveled edges. Mushrooms should never be slimy with brown, soft spots, which indicates age and poor storage. If you can, buy from loose bins and bag your own. Tomatoes! Now, avoid tomatoes with blemishes or dark spots. The tomato should have a good weight for its size, feeling heavy. The tomato should be firm, yet soft enough to give into any real pressure. The tomato should be very aromatic when you smell it near where the stem was attached. Leafy greens. Lettuce is a simple choice, but it is mostly water and lacks big nutrients. On the other hand, arugula is nutrient rich and low in calories, just 20 calories and about 3 cups. Arugula provides an excellent source of folate, vitamins A and C, and over 100% of your daily vitamin K needs. This same serving supplies a good source of calcium, magnesium, and manganese. If you can't find it loose, you can always spend a little more to get a fresh greens mix, which usually features healthy greens like spinach and kale. An onion. The top 3 onions are yellow, white, and red onion, which looks kind of like deep purple. They give flavor to savory dishes and can be enjoyed either raw or cooked. Not to mention, they can boost your intake of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Carbs. Alright, let's pick a carbohydrate, or carb for short. Carbs include sugars, like in fruit, starches, like in potatoes and rice, and fibers, like broccoli, carrots, and whole wheat. One of the primary purposes of carbohydrates in our diet is to provide fuel for our bodies. Most carbs get broken down or transformed into glucose, which can be used as energy. Carbs can also be turned into fat, stored energy, for later use. Fiber is an exception. It doesn't provide energy directly, but it does feed the friendly bacteria in the digestive system. These bacteria can use the fiber to produce fatty acids that some of our cells can use as energy. Alright, the only thing to do is pay for everything on the way out. We are one step closer to getting a delicious meal on a plate, transforming a mushroom into a burger. Head over to the next video in this series to learn a helpful kitchen skill. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Alright? Take care, everybody.